Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Windows language on ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. To do this, first we'll need to click on Start, navigate to the settings, open Time and the language, then go for language and region. Right here you'll be able to find all of the language packages that you have installed on your laptop. If you want other one, then click on Add Language, find whichever package you like and then download it. Now make sure that your Windows display language is set to the one that you want, and also we can scroll down and select Administrative Language Settings, then select Formats. Right here in the Formats also make sure you have selected the language you want, and in Administrative we can change our system locale to also the same one, and finally we can copy a settings as well, and this should set your entire Windows language to the one you like. Also, if it doesn't work for the first time, try restarting your PC and working on it for a bit, and at some point it will update all of the things to that language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.